This brilliant chimney cooker hood from Neff is ideal if you want a contemporary model that keeps your kitchen steam-free. It has an A energy rating, LED lights, a 60 decibel noise level and 3 grease filters. It's ideal for a small kitchen as it has an extraction rate of 360 cubic meters per hour. The boost mode is a great feature that gives you extra power to remove steam and cooking smells as quickly as possible. Simply select the boost option and the fan's strongest suction setting will kick in for 5 minutes, taking steam buildups out of the kitchen quicker than standard models. So, whether you're boiling, frying, or just cooking a more fragrant dish, the air in your kitchen will always be clean and clear. Neff's CleanAir filter removes steam and odours from the air while you concentrate on the cooking. A special filter built into the cooker hood removes up to 95% of steam and odours. The clean air is then recirculated back into the kitchen odour-free. This means you can carry on being creative with your cooking without any unwanted smells. If you're looking for a contemporary chimney cooker hood that can clear steam quickly and efficiently, this quality model from Neff is the perfect choice.